In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful dress design using Canva and Printify. First, let's start by opening Canva. You'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you want to navigate to Canva's AI tools. Here you can create a prompt for a seamless account that matches the vibe you're going for. In this case, let's assume we're going for an autumn floral theme. Work around the AI tools and play with it until you get a design that feels just right. When you're happy with your design, it's time to download it. Make sure to download the file in a high-quality format for optimal results later on. Now, we're going to switch over to Printify. Log into your Printify account, and on the left side menu, you'll find a button that says Catalog. Click on this button, and a list of products will appear. Since today we are going to create a dress, you'll want to look under the Women's Clothing section, and then click on Skirts and Dresses. Browse through the selection and choose the dress style you're excited to create. Once you have chosen your dress, you'll see an option to select the provider info. Go ahead and click on Start Designing. In the Design dashboard, on the left side menu, you're going to look for an Upload button. Click that to upload the design you downloaded from Canva. If you happen to have your design saved in Printify already, instead of uploading, you can click on Graphics and select your design from the library. Now locate your design in the library and click to apply it. To ensure the design fits perfectly, head to the upper tool section and select Fill to Placeholder. You'll see a tool on the right labeled Create Pattern. Turn it on to seamlessly repeat your design across the dress. To perfect your design, you'll be navigating through different areas: back top, and they may have front bottom and back bottom. This will show you how your design fits across these sections. If you're satisfied, selectively apply it by clicking front top to ensure everything aligns. With all areas covered, click on your design and then apply to all areas through the upper tool section. This will ensure your design is consistent across the entire dress. For any final checks, go to All Areas, View Only, and verify that your design has been applied correctly. Once you're happy with it, it's time to choose the sizes. On the right side menu, click Select Variants and pick the sizes you want to offer. After that, save your product using the button at the bottom right corner. Now preview your mockups. This helps envision how your design will appear in real life. Carefully check the details of your designs, including SEO integration for better online presence. And when you're ready to go live with your dress, click Publish. And that's it. You've successfully designed a dress using Canva and Printify, ready for the world to see.